Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I will talk about if you lost your key, right? Like private key by using which PEM file basically we used to log into our app server or API server or our EC2 instance, right? If accidentally or due to some XYZ reason, if you lost that key, right? Then how we can connect our existing EC2 instance, right? So I will show you like how we can recover that key or what all alternate approach if you don't have the key, then how we can connect that particular EC2 instance. Okay guys, so here there are multiple solution is available, so I will talk about basically two main solution. One is like either we can create a AMI from that existing working EC2 instance, and then we can redeploy one more app server or API server or EC2 instance by using that AMI. Then we are good to get our EC2 instance. But new AMI will be on the with that new key. Okay, guys. Then we can by using that new key, we can do the SSH. Another approach is like a similar kind of thing, but we'll launch one new EC2 instance with the new key. Then we'll mount, unmount, copy, and so some step we will follow this one. Okay, these are the step we will do. So let's go to one by one solution. So let me show you that. So I am in this already logged in AWS console, and here one app server is running for my this EC2 instance. And let me show you that if you hit this URL, so this app server basically it's a one web application. It's running here. Welcome to the recovery key of app server demo from Cloud Tech, something like that. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any video from this channel. So this is what it's deployed to this particular app server. Okay, guys. Now, if you want to connect this EC2 instance, what we used to do, if you see here, right, go back little bit right side and you can see like this is the PEM file, right? By using this PEM file, we have connected this EC2 instance. Now, let me show you that. Suppose I have already connected here, right? So now this EC2 instance, basically what it is, let me show you that key. So what we can do, edit key and go to the advanced, go here, and this is the key, right? So what I can do, I will take out this key and put it into outside here. Let's keep here. Okay. And now see if I am able to log in or not. Now I have already logged in that EC2 instance, right? Same EC2 instance. Now let's try to log in again. See, I am not able to log in. Why? Because my key is lost, right? So what the alternate approach? So let me show you that. So let's go to first approach. Like let's create a AMI. How we can create a AMI? Let me show you that. So this is my EC2 instance. Go to the instance state, sorry, action, instance settings, touch, image template, create image, right? Let's click on create and let's give that something like that. Web. Okay. And this is the EBS volume. It will attach to this. And if you want to add to this particular image, you can add also. Let's keep this one 8 only. And let's do that together, the snapshot and these two also. Okay, guys, let's create the image. Now image creation in progress. Let me show you that. But this is the image. So skip that. So the AMI still it is pending state, right? So launching. Meantime, what we can do? One more key pair we need. So let's see. Okay, we have already one key pair here. We'll try to use this one. So this one is the original key pair which is used in our EC2 instance. Now I will use this key pair and I will try to connect this new EC2 instance which we'll create by using this AMI. Okay, guys, let's go to the AMI. So still it is in pending state. So once it is ready to use, right, state active, then only we can use it. Otherwise, you can't use it. Let me show you that. It will throw you the error actually. Still while. It will take some time, guys, so to come here. Okay. So meantime, what we can do for second approach, we need to launch another EC2 instance, right? So we can launch that too also. Just EC2 dashboard, launch instance. Now this is our original instance, right? So let's launch one more instance. Server. And this time we'll select our M, which AMI we have created, right? So this is the AMI we have created. So we can select this one. So AMI basically Amazon machine image, right? So whatever already you have in that backup in that volume, right? Previous volume, everything will be there, preserved. Like I have deployed one web application or some more data I have in that instance, right? That everything will be intact as it is. It won't lose anything. Okay, guys. So this is the thing. So let's, if you want, you can change that key pair. Now this key I have lost, right? So let's try to launch with new key. Now go here and select the security group, add volume, and you can change the volume also. Instead of 8 GB, you can change 9 GB also, up to you. Let me check that what the admin status now. So, yeah, now it is available. Now we can create. So now launch instance here. Now I have launch instance, right? So let me see that app server. It is in pending state. So we'll see that that whatever static web app is there, right? That is, it is there or not in the new instance also. We'll check that. So let's come here, refresh. Let's, this is how we are creating Amazon machine image, and this is how we can use that Amazon machine image. So that also one kind of example I can say here. Okay, guys. So let's change that to, since it's a Apache HTTP server, not HTTPS, right? Our, see, with the new instance, we are able to do that. If you not select your existing AMI, right, you can't do actually. So this is how we can recover our EC2 instance. Now, whatever new instance we have launched, right, with the new key basically, right? So we can connect that to EC2 instance also with new key. Let me show you that. Advanced settings. Go to here. Learning. Key. Now let's try to connect. So change that IP also, right? Yeah. Now see, we are able to see, right? CD where our location, right? Where we deployed basically our that that app server. So if you go to that particular location, now you can able to see where www.html, right? So if you see that this HTML page is there, that's why we are able to see in this browser also. Okay, guys. So this is how we can do this. That is one approach, and another approach is, let me show you that also. So what we can do, so let me show you that EC2 instance. So I will create one EC2 instance. Okay, that old EC2 instance we can use it. So let me show you that how we can do. So let me launch one EC2 instance. Server, something like that. Let's keep, and let's select the machine image, Amazon machine image. I don't have any suppose. So let's select the new key. EC2 instance, select the security group, our existing security group. Previous one is the 8 GB. So let's select this one 9 GB so that we can identify which volume for what. Okay, guys. So this is how we can launch. This is the second approach, right? So second approach basically what? Let me take you in that second approach. What basically second approach is? Stop original and working EC2 instance, then detach the root volume from the original working instance, and then attach to the new that volume to the new EC2 instance. Then we'll check that. Then we can do that to mount that. So we can create some directory. Then we can mount this by using this command. Then we can check that this particular directory, all the file is copied or not. Then we can copy that authorized key to whatever is there in that MNT folder, right? We can copy that, and then we can unmount that that mounted directory. Then we can detach that working root volume from that name or new EC2 instance, and then stop and attach to the original instance. This is what the step. So guys, let's do one by one. So first stop the EC2 instance and detach and attach to the new EC2 instance. Okay, guys. So let's go here. Server. So first let's connect this one. SSH. So let's rename this one, otherwise it will be confusion, right? So guys, so that we won't get to see here, right? www, it's not there. Okay, so this instance don't have that web application. Actually, basically we created from the Amazon machine image, right? So as per these steps, so first stop that that working instance, that original instance. So this is our original instance. So let's stop this one, stop this one, and now we can terminate this one also. Not required this instance. So by using Amazon machine image, you have created, right? So better to terminate this one, otherwise it will be confused. Actually, it's terminated. This is the stopped. Okay, stopping the EC2 instance. The volume, let's come to volume. So one is the 9 GB and the other one terminated also, that should be 9. So it should go. Just wait for some time. It's still terminating. One is stopped. See, right? It's 9 GB will be go away. Let's give the name so that it won't be confused. The volume or maybe actual our EC2 instance, right? So that was done since we terminated that instance. So what we can do, this working volume we can attach to this particular volume. Okay. So it's not yet detached, so still it is fully detached. Otherwise, detach that is volume. So now let's attach this to another EC2 instance. This the running state, right? This is the stop. This is run. So let's attach this. What we can do? Now we can connect to that EC2 instance and we can go to the step. So Up to this part is done, right? Now we can check like this one, and let me do one by one. Check here, right? So now here, if you see 9 GB, right? That is came that volume. This is our 9 GB, right? We have launched actual instance 8 GB, right? This instance, but we have attached the volume 9 GB on it, right? If you want to check the file type, you can check also all the file type also it will come. Now we create that one directory. Okay, guys, so let's go to the next step. So we have created. Now we'll mount that to this directory. Okay, guys, so how we can mount? So let me now before that, let me show you that MNT directory what it is there actually before mounting. Nothing is there. So now let's mount. If you mount that all the volume, it will come here, right? So this is the volume, right? X V D D one, right? D F. Everything came here, right? All this thing here home. Okay. So now go to the next step. Now copy. This is the copy command we can use. So don't worry, guys. I will give all this command to this video link description so that you guys can use it. Let's copy that. So basically what we are doing, this is the working instance authorized key. Inside this, we are copying that unauthorized is whatever that unauthorized key is there, right? Volume from the volume we are copying, right? This is done. So now we can what we can do, we can unmount that. So this is the command unmount. Okay. Now if you see now in this folder, nothing will be there. Mounted, right? Everything. We mount, copy, and unmount. Now what we can do? Now this step, detach the original working root volume from the temp or new instance and stop new instance, and then attach that to original instance. Then original instance we can connect by using new key. So let me show you that. So let's come here. So what we can do, we can now, as per this step, right? We detach the original or working root volume from the new temp instance, right? We can detach that, right? So and then we can attach back to original instance. So this is our working instance, original instance, right? So let's detach this. Forcefully detach this volume. So, yeah. So let's detach working instance. We have detached here. Now, if you check, right, that ls, if you do now, see now you'll see only one file type, right? So it was there two, right? Earlier we have attached one volume. Now since we detach, so it will come only one. See here that 8 GB only. Sorry, that original that 9 GB only it is there, right? So that new instance is the 9 GB, right? And old instance it's a 8 GB. It was there right here. If you see here, both the was there. 8 GB and 9 GB. 9 GB is the original instance, and this is the other one, right? So now let's go to here. This is done. So now let's attach this volume to working volume to that original instance. So how we can come here, attach this volume to original, right? Which is top instance, right? This is our original instance, right? And here, this is the thing we have to do. So let me show you that as a root volume, it's mentioned, right? We have to do XBDA. So keep in mind that one. Yeah. Attach. Now attachment is done. Let me see. Mhm. See here, app server is came here. Now let's go to the instance. What's this? And this is our original instance, right? Which is top right. Now let's start this instance. It is in pending state. It's still going on. Just give me a few seconds. It will come up. Now it is running, right? Original instance. Let's try to hit the browser. If that is there or not. See, it is there. So let's try to connect that with the new. See here, if you go to here, it is a this is the PEM file, right? That old one, which is you lost, right? But you can connect still by using new key, right? So that is the thing we did, that copy, mount, unmount, right? So let's see if we can try. EC2, use that key. So now we can connect it. Sudo steel. Now cd var everything is here, right? Cd HTML. Everything is here, right? So this is how we can like recover our key, since even though that EC2 instance, right? If you go to the AWS console, right, it is the old key only, but this key, without this key also we can able to connect, right? So this is how we can do, by accidentally if you lost your key, then there these two approach, if you follow, you can get it back without losing your data or actual business, right? Because in a real production system it has happened actually due to some xyz reason, sometimes the key is gone. Okay guys, so this is how we can do. So if this video is helpful to you guys, and if you feel this is valuable to you, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share with your friend. So that will really inspire to me to create this kind of video and this kind of context. Okay guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.